This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show not safe for work content on Reddit. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Reddit. To hide or show not safe for work content, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on this page that opens, these tabs across the top up here, you want to click on the one that says Preferences. And then right down here under Content, Show Mature Content, I'm over 18. See Not Safe for Work, Mature and Adult Content in your feeds and search results. If this is toggled on, you're enabling Not Safe for Work content. If you toggle it off, you're disabling Not Safe for Work content. Now if you have it enabled, it gives you another option, Blur Mature 18 Plus Images and Media. If this is toggled on, you will be blurring images and media. If it's toggled off, then you're not blurring it. That is how to hide or show not safe for work content on Reddit. Thanks for watching.